Hi, my name is Bill with STLCompDocs.com, serving the St. Louis area with iPhone and smartphone repair. Today I want to go over the iPhone 4S battery replacement. We offer this service for $35, and you can call us or walk in anytime. Give us a call at 314-644-5826. The first thing you want to do is make sure your iPhone is turned off. I've already done that just to spare you the time. So we'll go ahead and get to the next step, which is to take off the two pentalobe screws located on the bottom of the iPhone. The next step is to pop off the back cover. Just go ahead and press up on it, and it should pop right off. You will see now there are two Phillips screws here and here with an antenna in there. Make sure you do not lose that. We're going to go ahead and take those off. With our prying tool, we'll go ahead and pry up the battery connector here. And there's that antenna. We'll put that by the screws. Alright, so you see our battery is free now. We'll go ahead and pop the battery out. Might be a little sticky, so don't be afraid to pull. And the battery comes out. We'll get our replacement battery. Go ahead and line it up on the right side. Make sure the cable fits here. It should fit into that gap. Press it down. Now before you screw it on, you need to put that antenna back in the proper position, which is on the top screw if you're looking at it from this angle. Might have to go with a little tool and okay, once you have it placed, go ahead and press the battery down. By the way, that position should look something like this. Now I'll go ahead and replace those Phillips screws. Next step is to replace the back cover. And now we replace the two pentalobe screws. That's all you have to it. It should turn on.